With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, you'll be sure to appreciate this model's condition and value. Top features include front fog lights, a tachometer, a trip computer, heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.